One of the first things that I noticed here when I moved to Jharkhand was that when I would walk through a village, I would always see boys playing and girls working. Where we are right now is one of the toughest places in the world to be a girl. 6 out of 10 girls here drop out of school and become child brides. Thousands of girls are trafficked from this state every year to go work as domestic labor in the big cities of India. My name is Franz Gastler. I'm one of the co-founders of Yuwa. I've been living here in rural Jharkhand, India since 2009, and we're using football to try to help girls transform their lives. For a long time, we've been wanting to get into nutrition, but we didn't really know how. And now, for the first time ever, we're really getting the chance to offer a complete meal to girls really quickly on the football field. Some people have asked me why nutrition powder and why not actual food. In the past, we have tried giving food, and during that experiment, there were cases where we were giving a meal and then parents said, oh, if a girl's getting a meal somewhere else, then we're going to subtract a meal. We're not cooks, we're educators, and we don't have 20 cooks out on 20 football fields, but what we can do is deliver meal shakes really quickly. The young people who are coaching are able to bring those straight to the field, and they stay fresh for a long time. So for us, it's a powerful and easy way of delivering nutrition fast. So if you want to make a big impact, this is a great place to start.